Hello guys, another random day, and I just decided to do beading, and at least learning how to bead. And I bought some beads, something like this. Oh, they're little, really small, teeny tiny one, and which cost £50, which pretty too much to be honest. And this one for 21, they're a little bit smaller. No, not smaller, bigger one. They're a little bit bigger, and I really enjoy them. As well as this, I will use this kind of thing, if you know what I mean. And this is 0.3.5, and this is 0.3. We'll use this blue for body, for back side, and this is for front side of the body. So this is for eyes, for cheeks, and for legs. So let's start, and we'll see what I can do as beginner. It took almost ages just to pick video I want to watch while trying to beading. It looks like the first part of the body is done. Actually, it looks like this. Almost like a penguin. Let's say the second row is done. You see, oh, it's like it's a head. Here's how the second row is look like, and I feel pretty confident that I even can do a tutorial. I almost came up with the logic, and it's look like you go on circles. So you start with this, let's say it's like beginning, this circle of 6, then the second row, and now I'm on the third row. And yeah, I'm really inspiring. It's too satisfied, you see? Look cute. To be honest, my camera just fell down, and I'm like, I need a little bit break, but actually I finished the third row, which is look like this. So it's so cute. It's already face of penguin. And yeah, the one disadvantages I find for a first time like beading, that I take a really long this beading thread. You can see it's a lot of them, and it's almost half. So it's my 20 minutes of beading, and it's pretty nice. I feel so successful. Yeah, compared to my face it's so small, but yeah, it's still so cute. Really so nice. That's how randomly I decided to film this, because I still have like setup from the previous video I made, so I don't even have time to remove it. A little calm down, I decided to make a tea. Yeah, so cute cup. And as well it's this kind of tea, which is, as you can see, is red, really red one with cherry. I really like it. It's from Germany. I so love it. It's highly recommended if you whenever would be in Germany, just pop in random store and buy this kind of tea. Highly recommended. As well as this haribo, which you can buy just in Germany. I'm so wondering why. But yeah, now the point of the video, and after a little bit of break I will continue. So I fixed this thing, which currently can produce some video. I'm really shy to show what I did, because it's so painful to explain, to be honest. Yeah, it's just broken and I need a new one, but I really want to finish this video, so sorry, I probably will film it. Here is the first row with wings, and they're so cute. I really like it, so I can't stop saying how pretty it is. But yeah, it's almost there. Yeah, and I'm really proud that it's my first try. Actually, the main issue is really long beading thread. I probably should make it a little bit less next time when I will doing. And I'm thinking about tutorial. Would you like to see a tutorial for this? Then I of course have to mention that the size of beading thread might be a little bit less than I did a meter. It was too much. At this stage, penguin almost done. There are just a couple last steps left, and I need to find something to put it inside. Probably it would be polyfill, but I still need to find it. So I grab polyfill and really sharp scissors. I have no idea how to do it just with one hand. So I grab a little polyfill and I try to put all of these beading threads aside to find actually a hole, and now try and put polyfill inside this hole. Let's do it with fingers, but probably fingers it's too big to do it, and then I will use sharp scissors to put actually something inside. A strange angle of filming, so I put all of these threads somewhere aside, just remove it to don't put them inside, and use my sharp scissors. Be careful because it's really easy to just cut some of threads. And oh, this small piece was enough for this penguin. Yeah, I maybe don't even need more. Oh, pretty cool. Here what I done so far. And I need one more break. Actually, I'm reconsidering again. I intend to add this kind of hook to it and make it like a chain. I'll grab the matches and I will show you what I intend to do now with this cute little guy. First time trying beading something. It's so cute. Am I allowed to be proud for the first time beading in my life or not? I just really want to try and bead it amigurumi, and here's the result. So what's your thoughts, and if you need a tutorial, please let me know in the comments. Popping outside to make a video on daylight, and here it is.